We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian dolce vita. Venite con noi.
Buongiorno and good morning.
Good morning.
We have arrived just outside of Rome, a place called Ronciglione, where my sister lives.
Beautiful.
We didn't mention it before.
Look at that.
And we will obviously
Show you more of that a little bit later on.
make it flatter.
Can you have some Christmas music, Maharanajo, please?
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Jicket.
Don't
you know the songs?
Simona, you want to explain what you're doing?
I'm making kubi.
Kubi,
Yes. Which is
An Arabic dish, mainly Palestine.
I think she asked
Brother
me.
and
I'm
sister,
cooking.
don't argue,
I'm
please.
cooking, okay?
Alright.
It's a Palestinian dish,
Yes.
which is grain, which is called burgul, with minced meat, which is minced beef and
It's
lamb.
called cracked wheat.
Okay, sorry, cracked wheat. Thank you, Massimo. And the mince is lamb and beef.
Smells
and
divine.
onions.
So you've cooked that with
No,
onions?
I've only cooked the filling, which is the mince with the onions.
Yeah.
And then you make 2 layers. In the
Lovely.
middle, you put the mince
mince?
that you've cooked.
So you can almost say it's an Arabic pizza, right?
Yeah, you could say like an Arabic
lasagna.
lasagna. Arabic lasagna, yes. But we've also made Italian lasagna.
So here we have Daniela, who's come all the way from Singapore. She lives in Australia, but she's from Singapore. We have a multinational. Do you say multinational? International.
Christmas.
Yeah.
I don't know about culture because I still carry my own culture. Multi-country.
Yes, it's wonderful.
But this is for
Fruit
tomorrow,
Oh,
though.
this is for tomorrow.
Because we're having fish tonight. Italian tradition.
Massi, what are we having for dinner?
Fish. Now we're doing a classic vongole con
Italian.
tacchio gamberetti.
Classic Italian.
Ma lei ha preso i baccheri? Che c'è?
Sì, abbiamo preso i baccheri.
Tu non ti piace i gnocchi, vero?
No.
So this is what we bought Simona and Fabio all the way from Sicily. It's almond cream liqueur. Wow, it looks amazing.
No, volevo mettere un po' sul cardine del cane.
This is my famous pasta dish. So I've got some clams,
Clams.
I've got prawns which I've cut up and cleaned.
Yeah,
So I open the clams, I put some wine in it, mix the prawns in.
amazing. And you've got pistachio that we bought from Sicily.
Yeah, we bought a nice pesto di pistachio.
Pistachio, yeah.
In English.
Very nice.
And I've now cooked the pasta, I put the pasta in it to finish it off, and it's very saucy, as you can see from there,
Lovely.
which is the best part of it all.
And then we've got a little plate here. Simona's son doesn't eat fish.
So we've got to make it with
Gonna make him happy.
cherry tomatoes.
Very nice. It looks all very nice.
All'arrabbiata.
And Valentina now has to
L'arrabbiata.
speak English because she's going to be on our vlog.
Where's
She's behind.
Valentina? Valentina. Pretty Valentina. And Daniela.
Again.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry.
I am very
Hey,
excited
Paolo.
for dinner.
Yeah, we are too. We're used to eating at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, aren't we?
Maria's hungry.
I'm hungry,
We're
Mary.
very hungry, but how can we not be hungry when we see this
Amazing.
bread? Happy stuff.
Mm.
When they did it, she was fine. She could do it.
Daniela, uguale.
She could do it all.
She would wash the dishes the same.
Ilma!
No.
A Google TV.
Così vai. Tira. Forte, tira.
Apri bottiglia.
Why do cows lie down in the rain? To keep each other dry.
Perché si trae
Il mio cuore chiede pace e amore, sono un angelo vicino che mi ascolta il mio bambino. Buon Natale a tutti voi, babbo, mamma, nonni e zii, un bacetto e buon Natale!
Buon Natale!
Buon Natale!
Alessandro. Marie, è Natale, eh? Fa il cazzo sotto presepe. Scorta. Te ne va il tappo?
Mi passate i piatti?
This is what your mother-in-law makes for Mama?
Mother-in-law made carciofi alla romana.
Is that just with
Parsley, oil, garlic, salt, and carciofi.
wow, no, very nice.
Yeah, it's all ready. And we're gonna go in with it now.
Wonderful.
What's all of that?
So this is lamb.
This is lamb, yeah.
Very nice. Just done very simply.
Abbacchio in Italian.
Abbacchio. Done very simply with rosemary, oil, and salt and pepper. That's it.
Yep.
Come, let's go feed
go,
the
guys.
troops. Good morning, everyone. Well, after a day and a half of eating so much food, we have decided that we need to go for a long walk. So we are now getting ready. I'm actually ready. Oh, it's very windy here. We are getting ready to go to Rome Center, which I'm really excited about, and I'm going to obviously take you around with us. So they're all figuring out where's the best place to park the car. Because obviously you can't drive all the way into the center, so they're figuring out where is the best place to park the car, just outside on the outskirts, and then we're probably gonna either walk or take the underground to get into the center of Rome. Angry Maria? Okay, we've actually got to the center of Rome. So we parked the cars in a parking lot called Saxo Rubra. I think they paid €2.50 maybe for the whole day, but today is a public holiday, so it's probably cheaper today, I think. And then from then onwards we caught the underground. Flaminio underground. We got off there and it's a train, sorry. And then now we are in Piazza del Popolo and we're going up to see a view Very ancient steps. Very ancient steps, yeah. Tallest trees ever. Massi's saying that they're extremely old, hey Mas?
It's a pino, Massimo? No, these are cypress.
That's a pino.
Sì, sempre cipresse.
They're arguing over what
Cipressa.
type of trees they are.
No, è pino.
Pine tree, extremely old.
150.
Bravo!
150.
Bravo! Bravo!
We've got our own little private ballerina over here. Okay, a beautiful place to just come and see a fantastic view right above here, or even further over there where the terrace was. Very nice. Yeah.
So from here, you can see San Pietro.
Oh yeah, of course, St. Peter's
And if you
Square.
come back this way a little bit, come back.
Let's have a-
Call that the wedding cake.
Why?
It looks like a wedding cake when you close up. You'll probably get close to it.
Okay, beautiful. Definitely a lot of sensory overload, so much to see everywhere you look. So many beautiful monuments and statues and musicians on the road and people. It's wonderful, but when you're not used to it, you're like, ugh. But we're having fun. It's great.
Like what I got you for Christmas.
This is the
Travel
Church
guide.
of Santissima Trinidad dei Monti, often called simply Trinidad dei Monti. French, La Trinité des Monts. It's a Roman Catholic late Renaissance titular church, part of a monastery complex in Rome. It is the best known for its position above the Spanish Steps, which lead down to the famous Piazza di Spagna.
Amazing.
I had to Google it.
Thank you. We all
You're
do.
welcome. I'm not a guide.
You're my personal guide today.
Beautiful.
Rather buy me a ticket. I want a ticket rather than
Okay, ladies, so obviously we're going down a really important high street. Jimmy Choo, but we're not those type of girls, are we?
Not me. Daniela.
Daniela's a bit of
is not me. Would you buy going to?
Daniela likes going to...
She'll
No,
follow those
I think
hills.
Simone and I like to sort of see places.
Just look.
more. Yeah, just look.
Window shopping.
Window
Spend a hell of a lot of
shopping.
money on window shopping.
Just looking.
So that you look along the floor. So if you look at the design on the floor, the shell, the direction of the wave is to direct your eye from the floor as you come from the street up to the beautiful artwork, which is a fountain of two angels holding a phoenix.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it looks really beautiful.
Oh, grazie. We have to check. Nico! No. Hello!
Okay.
Venice Square. Okay, so this
Piazza
is basically,
Venezia, we're
they
going
call this
up.
the wedding cake because it looks like a wedding cake from far.
Absolutely
I
beautiful.
can't get mine drawn up because I'm not allowed to fly it.
Do you want to get
But
arrested?
if I had to get it up, you would see why they call it the wedding
Oh,
cake.
maybe we can attach some.
We'll find a photograph.
All right.
I think I've got one somewhere.
Absolutely beautiful. This is actually the first time I've come up, and there's a museum up at the top. Unfortunately, we don't have time to see the museum, but I'm happy just to catch the sunset. Stunning, guys. If you get the opportunity, come here. So guys, have you had a good day so far?
Cold one, but it is beautiful.
Cold now because the sun's going down.
There's no sun.
Hasn't been too bad, has it?
It's just I can't stop getting over how beautiful this place is.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
I will never ever forget how beautiful this place is with beautiful people.
Yeah, with your beautiful
You
sister.
guys are beautiful.
Oh, we're all beautiful.
Makes it that much better to be with the right people in the right
So
place.
nice, isn't it?
Comune dove c'è il sindaco.
Se metti un po'. Dall'altro lato,
It's amazing, isn't it?
È l'imperatore.
Fare la foto con Giulio Cesare, amore.
Buongiorno and welcome to Ronciglione.
In Rome, just outside Rome, in the province of Viterbo. very pretty, isn't it? So that's where we came from, just over there.
Down the bottom there, you can see there's little pieces of green land
Yeah?
that some people cultivate and they grow.
Oh yeah, you can see veggies.
produce.
Wonderful, hey? So not a lot of people know about this place, and it is such a beautiful borgo. Beautiful, lots of little alleyways, lots of little cobble streets, lots of things to see. A must if you're in this area. Everywhere you look, it's beautiful. Hey, Massi? And how many years have you been coming to visit your sister? You've never walked through this?
I have.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't. Look at this. A long time ago, hey? It's beautiful. Very cute. How far from Rome? About an hour? 40 minutes?
An hour and 15 minutes.
Okay, not bad. If you don't want to live right in the center of Rome, this is such a pretty place. I would do it. If I didn't have the home in Sicily, it's lovely.
Oh, love this.
Pretty.
We hope you've enjoyed our week in Rome. We are still here. We'll be back in a couple of days, but we'll see you from Sicily next week. Have a lovely week. Ciao.